Hey, it's Brian here, and I've got a great video for you that I just created all about showing up on Google Search and Maps and how you can attract more people into the center to ultimately boost your revenues. Let's roll.
The last thing that you don't have on here, you have the ability to do it, you just don't have it on your, you haven't used it. Google business profiles have something called posts. So a post, and I'll just because I know that we do it.
I remember you were talking about that, or there was another session, Creative Ninja, Rocky Bush. She did mention it also. We just haven't done it yet.
So that's okay. That's okay. Again, you're getting this whole video. You'll have your marching orders. So just look, I want you to think about this too. With your profile, like there I am at the session, right? Teaching. There's the reviews. So you can also add in products that you offer. So if you have your different dishes, you can put that up. If you have a pro shop, or if you're selling certain things, merchandise, you can put that up too. For when someone's scrolling down and they're in, again, that messy middle, that exploration phase, and now they're starting to evaluate, this is giving them one more thing to look at and click on. So now this post has information, has a graphic, it's got text, and it has a link where they're going to go, in this case, probably to a video, a website. There you go. They go to this page. So it's your opportunity to basically create a social post that's going to live for 7 days on your Google business profile. And then you also have that ability to click and go sign up for an event, or, hey, we're having a fundraiser. You can promote the fundraiser on here. So there's all these different things, even like the photo of the golf course. Hey, it's a beautiful day. Come on down and putt 18 with us. You're going to love hole number 6, right? And then it's just a picture or video of hole number 6. Easy. So that's where you want to use post, because it extends your profile, makes it longer. So people have to scroll through all this stuff, but also posts. It's a huge point grabber with Google business profiles, because you're now, not only are you adding photos, responding to reviews, now you're putting up content and feeding it right to Google, saying, here's what we have, here's a picture or a video, here's some text, and here's a link back to wherever we want, our Facebook page, our website, our email list, whatever. So Google's like, okay, great. They really are owning this profile. Now they've gotten more points. They're getting towards that high score.
Okay.
And there you have it. It doesn't have to be hard. It's just a matter of doing something. So watch the video again, pause it, take notes. And if you have questions, here's my email right here. Feel free to send me an email. I would be happy to help you, because I want to see you grow your center. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, stay happy. Here's to your success.